This 2026 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro 19LE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features TV antenna, refrigerator, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro 19LE is 2,889 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.